Hey Tequila peeps, Tequila Hombre here, and we just got this in. It's the new Extra Añejo from El Tequileño. This has got some really cool packaging on it, so let's dive down and show you guys how it's packaged. All right, so looking at the outside of the box, it's got this really ornate cutout inside on the box, which is made kind of like out of a cardboard, and it looks really pretty. So then it has this pull tab on the side. You pull on it, and out slides the box that's inside this ornate box. And then we have this folder in here, this gold folder. And then on the inside of it, it's got all this information about it, as well as two quotes, one from Antonio Saez Sr. and then Tony Saez, the master distiller. That's his dad. And it has this really neat label. Talks about when it was bottled, what bottle number it is, Extra Añejo, signatures of both the tequilas on here, 3 and 4 year maturation, American oak and French oak. Then further on inside the box, there's a booklet that has all this information about the process, Mexico's best kept secret, and the process for making this tequila with some nice photos, some background history on Tony Saez and his father, and the heritage of them making tequila at El Tequileño, and some old photos of the distillery. Then grown in the highlands, because they do get the agave from Los Altos. And then made in tequila, made in the city of Tequila. They use high pressure autoclaves. And it shows you where on a map that they are located. And then it talks about the aging part of it with pictures of some of the barrels. And then a final picture of the bottle. And a final word from them on this particular expression. And then inside the box, here's the bottle. It is a beautiful crystal bottle. Absolutely looks amazing. And it has a nice crystal top. So you can, when you pull your lid off, you can put this crystal top in it and it becomes a decanter. Really slick packaging on this. Really looks awesome. So there's the unpackaging of this, and then look for the review coming soon on the Tequila Hombre channel. Salud.